Psalm 25. A Psalm of David. Judge me, O Lord, for I have walked in my innocence, and hoping in the Lord I shall not be moved. Prove me, O Lord, and try me, purify as with fire my reins and my heart. For your mercy is before my eyes, and I am well pleased with your truth. I have not sat with the counsel of vanity, and will in no wise enter in with transgressors. I have hated the assembly of wicked doers, and will not sit with ungodly men. I will wash my hands in innocency, and compass your altar, O Lord, to hear the voice of praise, and to declare all your wonderful works. O Lord, I have loved the beauty of your house, and the place of the tabernacle of your glory. Destroy not my soul together with the ungodly, nor my life with bloody men, in whose hands are iniquities, and their right hand is filled with bribes. But I have walked in my innocence. Redeem me, and have mercy upon me. My foot stands in an even place, in the congregations will I bless you.